Are you able to see my screen? Is everybody able to see my screen? I am writing questions here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So I have finished writing the questions. I have written 3 questions here. If alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial x square plus x plus 1, okay, so polynomial is x square plus x plus 1, so a is 1, b is 1 and c is 1. Coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b and constant term is c. So a, b, c we got, okay. Then okay, Hina Limani, your answer is correct, first one. Now alpha plus beta, the formula which we have learned in previous maths class also, alpha plus beta is minus b by a, that is equal to minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1. Okay. And alpha into beta is c by a, that is equal to 1 upon 1, so that is also 1. Okay, we have to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. ये हमको पूछा है क्वेश्चन में. So when we take LCM, this is alpha beta and this is beta plus alpha. Okay, so alpha plus beta की value from equation 1 and 2 हमने अभी देखी थी. alpha plus beta की value है -1, alpha beta की value है 1, so this is answer is -1. So option B is correct answer. Okay, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बी इज करेक्ट आंसर, क्योंकि अल्फा प्लस बीटा की वैल्यू है अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज माइनस बी बाय ए, दैट इज -1. अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज सी बाय ए, दैट इज +1. एंड 1 अपॉन अल्फा प्लस 1 अपॉन बीटा इज अल्फा बीटा इंटू बीटा प्लस अल्फा. तो we have to substitute alpha plus beta here and alpha into beta here, so it is -1 by 1, that is equal to -1. Okay. Okay, Hina Limani, your answers are correct. Okay. Is question 1 clear to everybody? Question 2, polynomial is px equals to 4x square plus 3x plus 7. Okay. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a is 4, b is 3 and c is 7. Minus of 3 by 4. Alpha into beta is c by a, c is 7 and a is 4. We have to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So LCM is alpha beta. This is equal to beta plus alpha. Beta plus alpha is minus 3 by 4 and alpha beta is 7 by 4. So when we divide a fraction by fraction, क्या होता है जब a अपॉन b, c अपॉन d, अगर इनको डिवाइड करते हैं जो सबसे नीचे है वो सबसे ऊपर वाले से मल्टीप्लाई होता है और ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं. तो इट विल बी -3 by 4 into 4 by 7. So -3 by 7 is the answer. Okay, that means the option D is correct answer. Okay, now question 3. Okay, question 3, if anybody else is trying and if you have found the answer, you can type in the chat box so that before solving, I can check your answer. If anybody wants to make a try for question 3, okay. Question 3 we are doing. If one root is reciprocal of another means one zero is alpha and other zero which is beta is equal to 1 upon alpha. Okay. Now this will substitute later. First of all, we'll write the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a is 5, b is 13 and c is k. Minus b, that is 13 by a, and alpha into beta is c by a, that is equal to k by 5. Okay. Now we are given that one of the zero is reciprocal of another. मतलब beta क्या है? 1 upon alpha है. So we'll take only this relation. We don't have to waste time on first relation. Alpha, beta is 1 upon alpha is equal to k by 5. Alpha and alpha cancel. K equals to 5. Okay. In this type of question, wherever you are given one of the zero as reciprocal of another, you have to take only the later relationship, that is alpha beta equals to c by a. So one is reciprocal of another, this both will cancel. Alpha and 1 upon alpha will cancel and this will be 1. So you will get the value of unknown. Okay. So k equals to 5 is the answer. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. If any, this is if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. One polynomial is given, fx equals to x square plus px plus q. Its zeros are alpha and beta. Then we have to find one polynomial whose zeros are 1 upon alpha and 1 upon beta. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll find the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, for finding this, value of a is 1. A here coefficient of x square is 1, b is p and c is q. So a is 1, b is p and c is q. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha into beta is c by a. Okay. Now we have to find one polynomial whose roots are or whose zeros are 1 upon alpha and 1 upon beta. We know that any polynomial is given by x square, k into x square minus sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means अब zeros क्या है? इस नए वाले polynomials के zero है 1 upon alpha और 1 upon beta. Okay. And product of zeros 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta. So I can write this way. Okay. So this will be x square minus alpha beta into alpha plus beta into x plus 1 upon alpha beta. We'll substitute the values. Okay. So some students started answering also. Okay. Yes. Okay, it's correct. Hina Limani got the correct answer. Okay, good. So it is x square alpha plus beta is minus p. So minus p upon q is alpha beta, that is q into x plus 1 upon alpha beta 1 by q. So this will be qx square plus px plus 1 and we can write this k upon q. So as in question, in options there is no k given, this is a constant, so we can ignore it. Option C is correct answer. Okay. So
ma'am, can you move to the previous slide?
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am showing this. Okay. So test of this chapter 1 and chapter 2 will be taking in next or next to next maths class. In coming class, we'll be practicing some more questions of polynomials and